Germany isn't just adopting AI, it's building its future around it. The question is, which master's degree will benefit the most? As Germany accelerates its AI revolution, demand for highly skilled professionals is growing across industries. Master's programs in artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, robotics, computer science, and business analytics are becoming increasingly valuable. Germany's automotive giants are investing in autonomous systems and smart manufacturing. Healthcare organizations are leveraging AI for diagnostics and digital health solutions. Financial institutions are using AI for risk analysis, fraud detection, and predictive modeling. Even traditional industries are adopting AI-driven automation, creating opportunities for graduates with both technical and analytical expertise. The biggest winners will be students who combine AI skills with industry knowledge in engineering, healthcare, finance, or business. The AI revolution is no longer coming, it's already here. Choose the right masters today and become part of Germany's next generation of innovators. In Germany's AI-driven economy, the most valuable graduates won't just use AI, they'll lead it. Start your global journey today.
IAEC Consultants, Private Limited, guiding futures, inspiring journeys with 25 years of excellence in recruiting students abroad.